Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Yamin Jamali, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Government Ustad Bukhari Degree College, Dadu. The topic which will we discuss today is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that lies inert to the cell membrane. Suppose this is a typical cell. The membrane inert to the cell membrane. The jelly-like substance, this jelly-like translucent substance is called cytoplasm. The word cytoplasm is the combination of two words. Cyto is taken from a Greek word kaitos. Kaitos, that meaning cell, and plasma. Plasma meaning material or substance. Material or substance. That means cytoplasm is a same material, same substance. It lies inert to the cell membrane and around the nucleus. Inert to the cell membrane and around the nucleus. This is the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance. This is jelly-like substance, cytoplasm, having two distinct parts. The outer cytoplasmic material is called ectoplasm, and the inner material near to the nucleus, that is called endoplasm. Ectoplasm and endoplasm. These are the ectoplasm is the combination of two words. Ecto meaning outside of, plasma meaning substance. Ecto, the word ecto meaning outside of, and the word plasm is taken from plasma, that meaning substance, meaning outside substance, ectoplasm. The ectoplasm is more viscous in comparison to the endoplasm. The word endoplasm is also the combination of two words. Endo meaning inside of, and you see plasma meaning substance, meaning inside substance. Ectoplasm that lies near the cell membrane, endoplasm that lies near the nucleus. The ectoplasm is more viscous. It is more viscous. And you see endoplasm is less viscous substance. The ectoplasm that lies near the cell membrane, that is more viscous, jelly-like, it is also called plasma gel or cytogel. Ectoplasm, the more viscous, it is called plasma gel or cytogel. It is plasma gel so called because plasma meaning substance, gel, jelly-like substance, or cytosine jelly-like material. That is why these are named as plasma gel or cytogel. Dear students, the endoplasm is less viscous substance. This is a less viscous substance that lies near the nucleus, and this endoplasm is also called plasmasol or cytosol. plasma soul or cytosol. It is plasma soul or cytosol so called because listeners, plasma meaning substance, sol is taken from soluble, meaning soluble substance. This is plasma soul. All the chemical reactions, all the biochemical activities which take place in the cell, they actually occur here in the plasma soul, not in the plasma gel. All the chemical reactions, let it be very clear, all the chemical reactions which are commonly called metabolic reactions, all these metabolic reactions, they occur in the cytosol, not in the cytogel. The inner cytoplasmic material, the endoplasm, you may say, plasma soul or the cytosol, they have substances. These you see organelles. These organelles, the mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, lysosomes, all these subcellular particles, or you may say the cell organelles, they lie in the cytosol. And these organelles are the commonly called factories of the cell. These mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, they are called factories of the cell. And there are two types of the organelles. Let us see organelles. Cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasmic organelles. These cytoplasmic organelles are also called subcellular particles. And there are two types of the subcellular particles. Let us see here. Membrane bounded organelles and non-membrane bounded organelles. Membrane bounded and non-membrane bounded. Membrane bounded organelles and non-membrane bounded organelles. Non-membrane bounded organelles. The eukaryotic cell below. The eukaryotic cells, they have all the membrane bounded as well as the non-membrane bounded organelles. But the prokaryotic cells, they have no membrane bounded organelles, they have only non-membrane bounded organelles. These non-membrane bounded organelles, they are the ribosomes which are seen here in the prokaryotic cells, but the eukaryotic cells, they have all type of the membrane bounded and non-membrane bounded organelles. Let us see number one, membrane bounded organelles. Dear listeners, the membrane bounded organelles, they include endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, plastids, and others. But we will discuss here only the endoplasmic reticulum. The word endoplasmic reticulum, let us see the actual meaning of the word endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic, endo meaning inside, plasma substance meaning inside the substance, reticulum meaning network, reticulum meaning network. It is a lipoprotein tube-like network that occur in the cytoplasm. Let us see here. This endoplasmic reticulum, a tube-like canalicular system, that is a tube-like system that initiates from the cell membrane, that starts from the cell membrane and initiates, meaning starts from the cell membrane and ends to the nuclear membrane, just like this. A tube-like network, a canalicular system. The endoplasmic reticulum below, they are called multifunctional organelles. They perform, because they perform number of the functions. in the cell, because of which endoplasmic reticulum is called the multifunctional organelle. Multifunctional. The endoplasmic reticulum, we know that it starts from the cell membrane and ends to the nuclear membrane, thus provides a pathway, provides the passage for the substances to pass in and out of the cell. Because of their structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, the endoplasmic reticulum, they are involved in the import and export of the substances. And this endoplasmic reticulum, there are two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. These endoplasmic reticulum, they are rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and number 2 is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they differ from one another in having, let us draw the endoplasmic, two types of the endoplasmic reticulum out of the cell. Suppose this is endoplasmic reticulum, this is also the endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are associated with the granules of ribosomes. That means rough endoplasmic or granulated endoplasmic reticulum, they are associated with the ribosomes. And you see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they have no granules of the ribosomes. That means they are smooth, they are not associated with the ribosomes. You see the cells, both type of the endoplasmic reticulum, that meaning smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are seen in all type of the cells, but some cells they have a good number of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and some of the cells they have good amount of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, they perform number of the functions. Let us see the role of endoplasmic reticulum. Role of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, as I have discussed earlier, that endoplasmic reticulum, they are the multifunctional organelle. They perform number of the functions in the cell, and let us see the type of the functions performed by the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, they are involved in the protein formation. The endoplasmic reticulum are also involved in the formation of the enzymes, in the formation of hormones. They are also involved in the import and export of the substances. And especially the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they perform an other function. Okay, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they help in the formation of vitamin D from the cholesterol present in skin, and the process of conversion of cholesterol to vitamin D that occurs in the presence of sunlight only. And inshallah we will discuss other organelles in our next lecture. Thank you very much.